Hello dear friends! Today we will cook together one of my favorite Greek recipes. The summertime we have very good eggplants in a high quality. That's why today we're gonna make together one of my best appetizers. So it's eggplant rolls stuffed with feta cheese and manouri cheese. Manouri cheese is a Greek typical cheese. If you cannot find it, you can replace it with the cottage cheese. My recipe have feta cheese and manouri. Your recipe has feta cheese and cottage cheese. Let's start together. Follow my steps. We cut the eggplants in a thin slices. We turn on the fire and we grill it for a while with olive oil. Let's go for the step number 2. We will mix the cheese, feta, manouri, fresh basil and roasted pine nuts. The eggplants are ready. Third step is the tomato sauce. I took 2 tomatoes, 2 fresh tomatoes. I rub it on the grater and I will add pepper, salt, honey and olive oil. We mix it carefully. We clean our space and we make the rolls. We take the slices and we put on the top salt and a pinch of sugar. Then we take a small bowl of our cheese. And finally, we put on the pan. Our rolls are ready. We take it in the oven in 200 degrees for 30 minutes.